Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to walk through how we place orders in Tradingview step by step, even if we're just starting out. If we've been looking at charts but haven't figured out how to actually enter a trade, this guide is just what we need. So let's get started and take our time going through everything together. Tradingview is mainly a charting platform, but to place orders, we use either paper trading or connect a broker. At the top of the screen, we click on the Trade button. From here, we can choose paper trading if we want to practice, or select our broker if we're ready to trade live. Once we've logged in, we go back to our chart. Now, let's try placing a basic order together. Over on the right, we'll see options like buy or sell. We click on buy or sell in the order window, and we'll see different order types appear. The first is a market order. This type places a trade instantly at the current market price. It's quick, but the price might move a little. Next is a limit order. This lets us pick the exact price we want to buy or sell at, and the trade will only go through if the market reaches that price. There's also a stop order, which is really common for entries or stop losses. This one only activates after the price crosses a certain level we set. Below that, we enter our price and the number of shares. Always double-check these details. Accidentally entering the wrong number of shares is a mistake we all want to avoid. We can also set our take profit and stop loss levels right in the order window. This is a great way to manage risk automatically and helps keep emotions out of our trades. When everything looks good, we click buy or sell to place the order. After placing it, we can watch our trade in the Positions tab in the trading panel below. Our open trades will show unrealized profit or loss as the market moves. We can also manage trades right from the chart by dragging our stop loss or take profit lines, which makes it easy to adjust quickly. While we're learning, it's a good idea to take our time and not rush through any of these steps. Here are a few important tips before we start trading. Always check which account we're using, paper trading or live, before placing an order. It's best to avoid market orders during high volatility if we're new, since prices can move fast. We should also remember to review our trade details before clicking buy or sell, just to make sure everything is correct. To sum up, we open the trading panel, pick our account, right-click on the chart, choose an order type, set our risk, and then place the trade. Once we get the hang of this, Tradingview really becomes a powerful all-in-one tool for trading. So let's keep practicing, stay patient, and soon we'll feel much more confident using Tradingview to place trades. If this tutorial helped, drop a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tradingview guides, and I'll see you in the next one.